Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to use the verb to be with place nouns. We can use them to talk about our country and nationality. Let's look at some examples. We use I am from to talk about our country. For example, I am from India. We use you are from to talk about the other person's country. For example, you are from China. We use he is from or she is from to talk about a third person's country. For example, he is from Bangladesh. We use I am to talk about our nationality. For example, I am Indian. We use you are to talk about the other person's nationality. For example, you are Chinese. We use he is or she is to talk about a third person's nationality. For example, she is Bangladeshi. In this lesson, we will learn how to use these phrases.